Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme GT60. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now select Not Now in this pop-up or just tap on OK right away. Finally, click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android one. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Realme. Also on an Android, use all of those categories at the top to select multiple files and transfer them. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To input this key, hit Input Key section and type in all of those numbers. When you finished, connect using Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!